Hello! I had a pretty early morning today. I got ready, it's about 10:30 or 11 now, and decided I want to go back to that same coffee shop so that I could finish reading my book. I'm going to take Louie with me, my dog, and hopefully he can be calm enough to hang out for a bit. But I also want to show you my outfit before we go. So here's my outfit, there's my dog, and my messy room that I have to fix, but I thrifted these trousers. They are amazing. They're a little girl's size 16, and it's awesome because they have these little adjustable strings that our pants used to have. This tank top's from Brand New Melville. It fits super great. I love the straps on it. And just my New Balances. I might add a jacket to this, but a super chill outfit. Kind of a go-to. Secured the coffee. Louis is peeing. Walking back because there was no place to sit over there. Well, that was a lovely, slightly chaotic walk, but there was nowhere to sit outside. So I grabbed, where is he? Louis. So I grabbed Louis and we just walked back. I have my breakfast burrito and my drink, so maybe I'll drop him off and then find somewhere nice to be able to sit, eat, and read my book because I didn't get to do that. So I decided to come to the park. I dropped off Louis and I just wanted somewhere to eat my breakfast burrito. I was thinking of going back to the cafe, but I didn't want to worry about not finding space, and there's not a lot of people here. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat. I'm gonna continue reading my book, and then I'm going to my sister's house to hang out with my cousins. So yeah, that'll be my Sunday. Really chill, relaxing. It's going good. So it's actually about a week later. I felt like there wasn't enough content in that last one, so here's my outfit for the night. I'm wearing these pants from Pull & Bear. This is a Daniel Bernstein bodysuit that I got from Macy's. This shirt is a men's thrifted shirt, and of course my 452 New Balances that are the best shoes ever, and they go with everything. I'm gonna go have some dinner with some friends. Also, I wanted to shout out a very monumental moment. My child got neutered and now he's in this adorable cone. Yummy. Good morning. It's Saturday, I think the 29th. And this is my outfit. So I'm wearing these plaid pants from Vince. Super cool. I got it from the outlets. This pullover Letterman jacket is from Pull & Bear. I think. One sec. Just kidding. It's from Stradivarius. It's another Spanish brand. And then I got this small little baby tee from Garage On. And then my vintage Doc Marten little shoes. Going to the sample sale for Lisa Says Goss, so that's what we're doing. I left. So I left. I stood there for an hour and proceeded not to go inside because it's probably not worth it. So I am at a coffee shop, the same one I've been to literally every video I've made. I realize I have this tendency to do the same things over and over again, but it's just what I like to do. So I'm gonna read, and I'm gonna have my coffee, and I'm gonna have my mini burrito. So I came to Sammy's Cameras. I have a few disposables I have to develop, so I'm gonna drop those off. I got my eyebrows done, which was nice, and I read a lot of my book. I'm almost done with it, have about 100 pages left. I'm going out tonight, and this is my outfit. I'm wearing this motorcycle Brandy Melville tank top, these lioness pants with like little chain detailing, and Stradivarius white boots. Your stuff. It's good.